Ready to gear up for the outdoors like never before? From survival gadgets that could save your life to camping gear that makes your trips way more comfortable, today we're diving into Amazon Prime Day deals for outdoor and survival you definitely don't want to miss. And hey, if you love discovering the best deals on survival and camping gear, make sure to hit subscribe to Trek Gear so you don't miss the next adventure-ready lineup. Let's jump right in. Imagine relaxing in the middle of the forest, suspended between two trees, with the world's worries drifting away. That's exactly what the G4 Free Large Camping Hammock delivers. Lightweight, yet tough. It's made with parachute nylon, and even comes with a built-in mosquito net. Perfect for backpacking, camping, or even setting up in your backyard, this hammock is all about comfort and protection. And right now, the deal makes it an even smarter grab for anyone looking to upgrade their outdoor setup. Ever faced the frustration of a flimsy tent that barely survives one stormy night? The OneTigris Stella 4-season camping tent is built to handle it all. Rain, wind, snow, you name it. Designed for serious campers, this tent keeps you warm in winter and cool in summer, making it a year-round shelter. Imagine setting it up on a mountain trail or during a rainy weekend and knowing you're covered. Durable, compact, and deal-priced, it's a survival essential worth snagging while it lasts. You know those moments when you wish you had a tool for everything? That's where the GIRIAITUS Camping Multitool steps in. With knives, pliers, screwdrivers, and survival add-ons all in one. It's like carrying a mini toolbox in your pocket. Picture yourself out in the wild, fixing gear, prepping food, or handling small emergencies. This multi-tool makes it effortless. And at a fraction of the price during Prime Day, it's a budget-friendly win for campers, hikers, and survivalists alike. Picture this. You're deep in the woods, no outlets for miles, but your phone, lights, and even your mini fridge are all running smoothly. That's the magic of the ECOFLOW Delta 2 Max. This powerhouse portable generator gives you reliable energy whether you're camping, tailgating, or preparing for emergencies at home. With multiple charging options and huge capacity, it keeps your survival gear and comfort gadgets fully powered. And seeing it at nearly half price for Prime Day? That's the kind of deal survivalists and adventurers dream about. Ever tried sleeping in a tent when it's hot, stuffy, and still air? The AISVELDY Rechargeable Fan changes that game. It's cordless, rechargeable, and even has oscillation to spread the breeze around evenly. Imagine grilling at the campsite or dozing off inside your tent with cool air circulating. It's a small comfort that makes a massive difference outdoors. Plus, with its Prime Day discount, you're saving cash while investing in comfort. That's a win in my book. Hands-free light is one of those things you don't realize you need until you're fumbling with a flashlight in the dark. The Optimal Ventures LED headlamp lights up your path with a wide, powerful beam and sits comfortably on your head. Perfect for late-night hikes, setting up camp, or even emergency repairs at home. And since it's rechargeable, no more worrying about spare batteries. Prime Day slashes the price, making it an easy grab for any outdoor adventurer or survival-minded prepper. When it comes to survival, a solid knife isn't optional, it's essential. The Gerber gear. Ultimate survival knife is built tough with a razor-sharp blade, a fire starter, and even an integrated sharpener. Imagine yourself cutting rope, prepping food, or striking sparks to build a fire in the wilderness. This knife has your back. Rugged, reliable, and now on Prime Day sale, it's the kind of gear that turns "I wish I had a knife" into "good thing I brought this one." Need to chop wood but don't want to carry a full axe? That's where the Gerber Gear Pack Hatchet shines. Compact yet powerful, it's ideal for splitting firewood, clearing branches, or even building a quick shelter. Toss it in your backpack, and you've got a lightweight tool that can handle heavy-duty jobs. Whether you're camping with friends or prepping for survival, this deal makes sure you've got the muscle without the bulk. Ever tried packing for a trip and found your bag falling apart? The REEBOW gear. Military tactical backpack isn't just durable, it's designed for real outdoor use. With multiple compartments, MOLLE webbing, and rugged straps, it organizes your survival gear, tools, and snacks without a hitch. And deal-priced, this backpack makes every adventure way more manageable. Clean water can be the difference between a good trip and a dangerous one. The membrane solutions. Water filter straw is compact, lightweight, and certified to filter out harmful contaminants. Just imagine hiking up a remote trail, coming across a stream, and sipping safely straight from it. That peace of mind is priceless, but today it's also budget-friendly, perfect for campers, survivalists, or anyone who doesn't want to gamble on water safety. Cooking outdoors doesn't have to mean clumsy pans and messy cleanup. The STANLEY Adventure Nesting 2-cup cookset is a compact stainless steel pot with 2 insulated cups inside, built for simple, hearty camp meals. Picture brewing hot coffee in the morning or cooking noodles after a long hike. It's lightweight, durable, and designed for adventure. And with this Prime Day discount, it's a classic camping staple you'll wonder how you ever went without. Sometimes it feels like you need 3 different tools at once. This is where the WETOLS Multitool comes in clutch. With pliers, blades, screwdrivers, and even a wire cutter, it's built tough for daily use and outdoor survival. Imagine fixing gear on the trail or opening cans around the campfire without rummaging for separate tools. Compact and self-locking, it slips right into your pocket or pack, ready whenever you are. And with Prime Day slashing the price, this multi-tool is a no-brainer upgrade. Keeping your devices alive in the wild is easier than ever with the MARBERO portable power station. Think of it as your lightweight, compact energy source for charging phones, radios, or even small appliances. Whether it's a weekend camping trip or an emergency blackout at home, this unit keeps you connected and powered up. Its Prime Day deal makes grabbing reliable backup power affordable and smart. Safety isn't always about adventure. Sometimes it's about being ready for the unexpected. The Weidahh Gas Mask offers full face protection with a snug fit that shields you from dust, smoke, and harmful particles. Picture yourself tackling DIY projects, prepping for disaster scenarios, or even just wanting an extra layer of security. It's a surprisingly versatile piece of survival gear. And at this price drop, it's the kind of investment you hope you never need but are glad to have. Yes, it's back on the list for good reason. The GIRIAITUS Camping Multi-Tool packs so much utility at such a low price, it's hard not to mention again. From knife blades to screwdrivers and emergency tools, it's built to save you in countless situations. Imagine needing to fix camp gear on the spot or open cans during a hike. It's right there in your pocket. Durable, reliable, and deal-priced. It's the kind of backup tool you'll be glad to carry. Clean drinking water is non-negotiable, and the blinkless water filter makes sure you have it wherever you go. This portable electric filter is easy to use and gives peace of mind in emergencies, camping trips, or disaster prep. Imagine pressing a button and instantly making questionable water sources safe to drink. That's the kind of convenience that could save the day. And with its Prime Day discount, it's one of the smartest survival investments you can make. When the sun goes down, the Lichamp solar camping lantern keeps the adventure going. It's rechargeable by solar or USB, making it a reliable light source whether you're deep in the woods or stuck at home during a blackout. Imagine lighting up your campsite with a warm, steady glow without worrying about spare batteries. Rugged yet lightweight, it's one of those pieces of gear that just makes life easier outdoors. And with the Prime Day deal, it's a bright idea for any survival kit. Cooking for 1 or 2 on the trail has never been easier than with the MalloMe Camping Cookware Mess Kit. Lightweight, compact, and designed to pack neatly together, this kit has everything you need for campfire meals: pots, pans, bowls, and utensils. Imagine whipping up hot soup after a chilly hike or brewing morning coffee in the middle of nowhere. With a Prime Day discount, it's an affordable upgrade that adds comfort to every outdoor adventure. And there you have it, incredible Amazon Prime Day deals that make outdoor adventures safer, smarter, and way more enjoyable. Which of these gadgets is going on your wish list? Drop your pick in the comments below. Hit that like button and subscribe to Trek Gear for more survival gear, camping essentials, and deal finds that keep you adventure ready. Until next time, stay prepared and keep exploring.